Jai Jinendra students, let us go through third module of Unit 1 Numbers. Today we will once again go through Indian place value chart, then we will know about face value, place value of digits in the number. This is the place value chart for 4-digit numbers. A 4-digit number has 4 places, namely ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. The ones place is represented by 1. The tens place is represented by 1, 0. The hundreds place is represented by 1, 0, 0. And thousand place is represented by 1, 0, 0, 0. The original value of digit is called its face value. The face value of digit is digit itself. It does not depend upon the position of digit in the number. For example, in the given number 9312, the face value of 9 is 9, 3 is 3, 1 is 1 and 2 is 2, irrespective of the places occupied by these digits. The value of digit, depending on its position in the number, is called its place value. We can find place value of a digit by multiplying its face value and place of the digit. A place value contains the place, that means the location of the digit, and value of that place in the digit. For example, in 5486, the face value of 5 is 5, but its place value is 5 into 1000, that is 5000, or written in words it is 5000. Remember, we can write down place value in two ways, in numbers and in words. Let us consider one more example where we are writing down place value and face value of all the digits in the given 4-digit number 2546. The place value of 6 is 6. Its face value is also 6. But the place value of 4 is 40. Its face value is 4. Similarly, the face value of 5 is 5, but its place value is 500. And the face value of 2 is 2. Its place value is 2000 or 2000. One very important point to remember is the place value of 0 is always 0, irrespective of its place in the numeral. That means wherever we write 0, whether in hundreds, tens or ones, its place value is always 0. And obviously its face value is always 0. So place value and face value of 0 is same, that is 0. Now, having understood face value, place and place value, here is your first task of the day. You have to write face value, place and place value both in figures and in words of underlined digits in the given numbers. The first one has been done for you. We have the number 4357, in which 3 is underlined. So the face value of 3 is 3. Its place is 100. Its place value in figures, that means in numbers, is 300, and in words it is 300. In the same way, you have to attempt all 7 parts. In second task, out of 4 numbers given, you have to identify and circle the number which represent the given property. For example, in A part, the place value of 6 is 600. You have to find that number and circle it out. So that means the digit at hundreds place should be 6. We have to find that number. So that is the second number, 4625. We will circle this number. In the same way, you have to attempt all the following parts. In the third task, you have to write face value and place value of all the digits in the number. For this, you can refer to slide number 7. We have earlier discussed this type of example where we have written face value and place value of all the digits in the number. That's all in today's module. Children, remember to do this work in very neat handwriting and keep it safely with you so that you can submit this work when the school reopens. Mention the date and topic like 2420, PPT 3, Task 1, Task 2, Task 3. We will meet again and move further in this chapter. Thank you.